For me, the best actions when it comes to pitching are the ones that are most simple. And it's really all about just turning the chest. If we put the connector in place, build the arm structure at address, it's then about simply turning the chest so the center line points up on the way through, on the way back, turning the chest so it points up on the way through. So, into your address, turn the chest, turn the chest. Torso is the engine of this one. Rotation on the way back, rotation on the way through. Just keeping those arms super simple, keeping that structure. The connector really does this well.